Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sell fast on Facebook Marketplace on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Marketplace at the bottom of your screen. This is where all the buyers are. This is very important. Use bright light, clean the item and take pictures from different angles. Clear photos make people click your listing. Don't make it long, just say what it is, like iPhone 11, unlocked, or office chair, or good condition. Search for the same items on Marketplace. Set your price a little lower than others if you want it to sell fast. Cheap items sell quicker. Set a condition, size, and if there are any problems, honest listings get more trust and faster buyers. Choose the correct category so more people can find your item. When someone messages you, answer quickly and politely. Fast replies help you in the sales. Choose a public place and a time that works for both of you. Easy pick makes buyers say yes faster. And that's it. That's how to sell fast on Facebook Marketplace using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.